new people have joined today? Any one of you? New person means let me know. If not means I'll move on. Okay, fine. Let's continue. Uh, Yesterday, actually, just have started the few things. I've gone with few things and few very basic part in Python. Just very basic part in Python. Just like yesterday, only we have seen this particular addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, and these all things: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, modulus. First of all, before going into that, how to open this I'll show. See, right click guys, right click, go to create one folder in this, create new folder.
We are unable to see your screen,
Sorry, just
Hero.
one second, sorry for that. Take a minute. Thanks for that, Paul. Hey, hi Arti.
Hi, Vero. Hello, everyone.
Hi. Okay. See, just nothing to do. Just right click, create one folder. Just go to your collab, Google Collab. Just Collab, Google Collab. Sorry. Just go to your Google Drive. Create one folder in this. Create one folder, any folder name, like sample, like practice files of Python. Create Python file, Python folder. In that, what you do, just right click on it. Right click. You can see more option here. You can see in that more option, you can see in that more option, right click, more, Google Collaboratory. See, again I'm doing right click, more, Google Collaborate. If not, connect more apps. If not, connect more apps. If you're not having the collaboratory in your system, means connect more apps. Collab. Type collaboratory. See, try to click on this and install this. Already this was installed in my system. This was installed in my drive, Google part. So I'm not installing this. I'm not doing anything to this. See, just again I'm showing. Right click, more, collab. If it is not there, get more apps. Get more apps. Here, go here, collaboratory. After this, click on this collaboratory. After this, just try to install this. Just try to install this. If it is installed, install this. Install this. After this installation completed, then you can see here, right click, more. Here you can see in collab, Google Collaborate. Click on it, create and share. See, you can see here. You can see here. So here, just rename it Python, Python variables. I'm just going with Python variables and all again arithmetic operations. Okay. Yesterday, few things I've started basic part for the few people. Again, I'll do the same thing for the why, because like starting stage na, we'll do within 3-4 days. Like normal will go very slow. After that, we'll go step by step. We'll start. Okay. See, again I'm saying here Python, for example, just here arithmetic operations, basic arithmetic operations. Okay. If you say a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, print a, print b, enter. See, in A it have stored 10, in B it have stored 20. If I'm going with this print A, you can see this 10 is coming. If I'm going with print B, that's why what is stored in this. So we have stored, we have stored in A, we have stored 10. In B, we have stored 20. So I'm calling this to both. So like this also you can call. Directly also you can call. It will get. Directly B also you can call. It will come. You can ask me what I'm doing here. Like, see, this is the thing to run cell. This is the thing to run cell. For everything, this is the thing to run the cells. These were called as in cells. These were called as in cells. These were cells. To run this one, or shift enter. Shift, shift plus catch shift, catch shift and enter. Hit enter. Hit enter. I'll show you. So just I'll show you. Just I'll go here. I'll go here on screen keyword. On screen keyword. After this, on screen keyword. After this, do nothing. See A part. I'm catching. 1 second. I'm catching shift. See enter. It is running. Sir. Shift enter. Shift enter. Just shift enter. Or else like you can like this also. Okay. In this way, the cell running will happen. After this, so you can ask me if I give here A, B, A, B, only 20 I'm getting. Just observe guys. B, A, 10 I'm getting. Means Python is taking latest one. This one Python is taking latest one. We know A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Above we have stored. We have stored. We have stored. Already we have stored in this. So Python is taking latest one. But to get both in one cell, that's why we have to use print function. This is an inbuilt function which is designed for the executing of the executing of the executing of the cells part. So executing of the cells part. So after this, if I store again, see till now we have gone till now. So if I go like this, so again I'm telling A is equal to 35. I'm storing now. See, if I type print A, what will be the output? Anyone can guess? What will be the output now? What will be the output now? Huh? What will be the output? Come on, someone try to answer. Come on, 35 is out. Why 35? It has already it having 10 no, before that. Why 35? How are you saying 35? It is having 10 also now. Here also it is already we have stored here. See, already here we have stored. See, here A is equal to already we have stored now. Already we have stored. Why 35? Why 35? Now tell me what will be the output? See, see, just run it out 35. Why 35 means latest one Python will take latest one, latest storage. Again I have stored in the A, again I have stored 35. That's why the output is 35. You can ask me. See, again I'll go up, I'll run this. Now if I run A, what will be the output? Now if I run this, what will be the output? If I run this, what will be the output? Anyone of you? 10. Why? Because like Python will take latest one. I'll show you. Say A is equal to 10. Okay, A is equal to 10. A is equal to 40. See, A is equal to 10. A is equal to 40. Print A. I'm going. See here. I'm running both. See, First, if I run this, after if I run this, that will be 40. Again, if I run this, I'll make this 50. If I run this, and after running this, it becomes 50. Python will take latest one. Python will store the latest one. This A is same. Here A is same. Here A is same. But it before which one have run. So this is a variable, guys. So that's why variable name should be differs. Not only A, B. We have to remember that. We have to remember that. We have to call that. We have to use it out. Like variable name should be in our convenient way, according to the files or the which thing we are storing. In that way, the variable name should be clear, guys. Is it clear till now? Till now, is it clear? Anything else? Guys, till now, is it clear? Anything else? Hello?
It is clear.
Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Any queries?
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear. Okay. See, just variables. Rules for variables. Rules for naming variables. For example, if you see this, a is equal to variable should not starts with number. Say 1 a is equal to 60. Variable name should not start with 60. One second, something issue with this. See, variable name, see, it will throw you error. Variable name, variable name should not start with, should not starts with, should not starts with a. Variable name should not start with a. Should not start with with number. Sorry, not a number. Number. It's not start with number. See, and also this a b is equal to 100. This, one second, I'll show you. AB at the rate of 1 is equal to 200. Should not contain special characters also. Variable name should not start with number. Variable name should not contain special characters also. Should not contain special characters also. And also variable name print. Print is a keyword, guys. Few keywords will be there in Python. Keywords will be there in Python. Keywords like keywords and inbuilt functions will be there. That we will discuss it later. But example till now which we have seen is print is the thing which use it to print, which use it to print. So while we are printing, print should not, it will store, see, it will stores, but we should not use this. It will stores, print these kind of names, the names which have the names which have special importance should not store like that. Why? How means like the, for example, your your house name should not be your name now in that way. Example, your house name, in our names, for example, if we go for the example of our name should be different and house name is different. If our name is with house name, it will be like a different way na? In that way only, like few words like print, length, for, while, few words will be there. In coming classes you will understand about that few important keywords in Python. Okay, here now itself till now print is a keyword which we have discussed. This should not, keyword means like this is one function, inbuilt function print is. Okay, we can create our functions also, that also we will see. This is an inbuilt, that is an our we are creating that functions. Okay, here let's see. And also variable name, variable name should be, variable name should contain numbers but not starts with number. Here another rule is like variable name should be, variable name should contain numbers, but not start with, start with but not start with numbers, but not starts with numbers. So after this, what we have to do, see, I'll show you. AB underscore 1 is equal to 250. Just print AB underscore 1. You can see it will execute. Sorry, where it is? One second, I'll remove this, something error. Sorry guys, AB, one second, I'll use this, my var alias, my var alias 1, and also I'll store this 1. Okay, store. Hey, one second guys, one second, something is show, one second. Hey, this also not coming, one second. This should come. Someone have opened this, guys. Anyone of you have opened this? The link which I've shared. Don't open this, guys. Please, I've shared you the link yesterday. Please, one second. Restart session. Again, I'm going to run. Something issue with that. Sorry, guys. Something is issue. Sorry, one second. Something issue. Sorry. See, it works, guys. Something is issue. If anyone of you, I think, have opened, I think also. See, one. Variable name should contains. Guys, any one of you, please have shared the link yesterday of this. Please don't try to open this. Why? Because I'm doing here. It impacts here. So please, after that, you people have to download this. Like this, you have to download, or else like save a copy in drive. Here you can see two options. You can see two options. Yesterday I've shared you the link. So see, save a copy in drive. In your, it is going to be copied. You can use from there, or else like download it and download IPYNB. After that upload into your drive and use it. See, download IPYNB. After that upload into the drive and use it, or else like save a copy in drive and use it. Don't please open this. Why? Because like while I'm using, don't open. Why? Because like it creates problem from me. Please, okay, you don't know, might be, I'm telling. Okay, see, again this variable name should be like, if I store, again I'm telling,
Veera,
a is
can
equal
you share the
equal
link to the means
I'll share the link.
yesterday class I was not there.
I'll repeat it everything. Like within 1 week, there will be classes will be going on. but just the repetition will be there, like what were the topics we're discussing, that all things like an after 3 or 4 days the entire thing is going to be finalized in na? So till that
Okay.
will will be will be going with the Python very basics, like foundation part will keep it.
Okay. Just I want that link. That's it.
Okay, fine, 1 second, I'll share you. So
Okay.
one second.
అందరికి వైల్డ్ కోడ్ ఉన్నాయి. Yeah, I know. The whole process I know. We have to right click that and we have to download. That's it.
Something background
Sorry.
noise from here. So I'm keeping in the chart, guys. See this link. Okay, I kept in chart, guys. You can take that link. Okay. See, after this, right now, let's see. Everything will repeat till 3 4 days, guys. We'll do with this very basics. After completion, after finalizing of the batch from the management side, I'll move on. I'll move on one by one. Okay. See, after this, if you see this, I'm storing a is equal to 20 over here. And again, if I call this, why it's not working? Any one of you? I've stored 20 in A now. Why it's not working? Any one of you? Any one of you? Why it's not working? I've stored here A is equal to 20. Why it's not? Why this not working?
Is it case sensitive?
Yes, yes, yes. Python is case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. Means uppercase should be stored. Uppercase is uppercase storage is different. Uppercase storage is different. Lowercase storing is different. So we have to call this. We have stored in A. That's why we have to call this print A. Then only it works. We have not stored anything in A. If we stored anything in A, for example, A is equal to 55. If we stored A is equal to 80, for example. Now if I go for print A, this works. A. Python is case sensitive. Means what happens? Case sensitive means, guys, in this way. For example, case sensitive will be in this way. Say, sorry. You means, for example, A is different, capital A is different. This both are different in this, different in Python, different in Python, Python language. So if you take this, like another example, I will give you. See, just saying, just if I if I if I take this, AB is equal to, like, or else like my my variable, I'm storing this, my variable is equal to 1000. After this, print my variable. Okay, this works. If I go like this, my this not works. If small thing is also, it's not works. Small thing is also not. 1 second, I'll make you clear understand of this. See, and also this also not works. My not works. See, guys, I'm writing everything. My var. After that, my not works. After this, not works. After this, my, not works. Each and everything should be matched, guys. See, you can observe this. You can observe this. Why it's not matching? Here, if you see here, it's not matching because of this capital M. Everything is matching. Small m, capital M is not matching. Here, capital Y. This is a mistake. So, like each and everything has to be, each and everything has to matches over here. Everything has to match, like in the giving of the variable name. Okay, I'll remove this. It will be clear. There's many. Okay, okay. Each and every character, each and every character in the variable should match while calling that particular variable. Right? Clear? Till now, is it clear? Till now, is it clear, guys? Anything else? Till now, is it clear? Anything else? Guys, till now, is it clear? Rules for naming variables. Variables are case sensitive. Variables should not contain the, I'll write here. Variables are case sensitive. Variables should not contain the, one second, page killer. Okay. Variables are case sensitive. Variables should not contain special characters except underscore, except underscore, and also variables variables should not variables should not starts with numbers, starts with, but can contain, numbers, and also Python is case sensitive. I've written here. Okay, Python is case sensitive, and also like each and every, while calling the particular variable, while calling, after storing, while calling the particular variable, it should matches it should match the each and every character, each and every each and match the each and every character, each and every character, to call that, to call the required variable, required variable, like in general way, in general form I'm writing, guys, just to recall it very clearly what were the things you have done. Just try to how the things will be like in from my side. So here, if you go, if you see this in previous class also, I'll show you the today's class, June batch, morning batch also I'm taking here. Morning 7 to 8, we are seeing in Power BI live class where, say, July 5th notes. July 5th notes. So here's the thing. We have gone with like format button, data cleaning, data filling, delimiters, split column, delimiters. Special characters are nothing but delimiters. In there we have gone. And also I'll show you this. Just if you recall this, just reading this, it's very clear for you. That here not clear. One second, I'll show you where it is. Oh, sorry. 1 second, yes. In a scale part, I'll show you how we have gone live classes. 1 second. 3rd July. This part, and already I've shown you this. 2nd July. This part, and also 25th July. So in this way, guys. Okay. Every day, just if you refer this, it's more than enough from my side. Okay. Got it? Is it clear? 1 second. I'll go here again into our this batch. This. Okay. And this also in state. Yesterday's also state. Okay. You can check it out. And this within this 3 4 days or within this month, within this week, just will be going basic very strong. Like to make sense of Python mainly, it has to be there. After that, we'll be going into the main topics. Okay. Okay. Fine. Just see here. After this, after this, I've gone till here. After this, what else is there? What else? Rules for naming variables we have seen. Okay. After this, just see. If you want to, for example, you can ask me, what about this hash part? What about this hash part? Why this is not executing? This is in comment, guys. This is in comment. And also this in comment. And also this will be there. Triple line comments will be there. This is a multi-line comment. So multi-line comments. This will these multi-line comments once again. This will enclose in triple quotes. So it just gives like this text. But if you normally gives this without this, it throws you error if you directly type that in this cell. It has to be triple lines, and if you go with triple lines, it will execute that. Just it will print that what else is there in that. Okay, is it clear? Why? Because like if some cases will be going with this, like for example, this is capital A, uppercase. In the above, we have gone with the lower case small a. So 1 second, sorry. Here it's not executing. Just it's executing. And if I write this here, it's executing. 1 second. Yes, if the code is there, it's not executing. It will not execute. Code is not there, it will execute. Just like in small comment part itself. Mostly we use hash part just to know about it. Okay. And also, if I use this, normally 10 into 2 is multiplication. We know this. 2 into 3. What is the output of this? Anyone of you? What is the output of this? 2 into 3.
It's
What
2
is
to
the
the
output?
power of 6.
Yes, 2 to the power of 3. That is like 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8.
8.
8. Okay. And also this part. What is the output of this? 2 into 5. Any one of you. What is the output of this? This is exponentiation.
32.
How 32? This exponentiation. 32. Right. 2 into 2 into 5 times 2 to the power of 5, that is like this is like power. Double into here is like an exponentiation, that is like an power. Okay, got it right? Exponentiation. So after this, if I go for this 10 10 modulus 3. What 10 modulus 3? Modulus 3 means how it came means, so how it came means modulus means 10, 3 3 is a 9, 1. Remainder will be the output in the modulus. Remainder will be the output in the modulus. Okay, remainder will be the output in the modulus. Remainder will be the output in modulus. Remainder will be the output in the modulus. Again, if you see this part, 10 10 modulus 10 modulus sorry modulus 4. Anyone of you can answer this? 10 modulus 4. 10 modulus 4. Anyone of you can answer this? 10 modulus 4. Say 10 4. 4 twos 8. 2. 2 is the remainder. The output will you will get 2. So the remainder. Got it? Got it, guys? Got it? This is the modulus part. Modulus, exponentiation, addition. Addition is like normal in this person. 1000 plus 500. It adds 1500. If you see, now 500 minus 248 something, it adds. It subtracts. 250. 250. Multiplication we have seen, exponentiation we have seen, this we have seen. I'll go for now division part. So, division part is like, what is this? 50. 50 tens. This is division. Okay. If I want to remove this, if I want to remove x 0 of this, let's try this. One thing is that, say, this is in flow division. This is the division. This is in division. This is division. This double is flow division. Flow division. Double is flow division. See, this is this is this. It removes decimal point. This is division. This is division. This is division. Division. Flow. Flow division. Division. Flow division. Division. Flow division. Okay, got it right? It removes the decimal points, whatever it will be there. Like normally, for example, if I go for this, 100 divided by 8, 12.5. 100, this 8. It removes. It removes the decimal point. The float division, this is like in this way. For example, floor division will removes the decimal point. Decimal points like this point, it removes, and it gives output like this. Normal division, decimal point will be there. That is the difference of the normal division. Right? Is it clear, guys? Till now, is it clear? Any queries? Till now, is it clear? Any queries? Yes, till now, is it clear? Any queries? Anyone of you?
It's clear.
Okay, fine. After this, we'll go for this. Actually, this is the thing we have discussed. This flow division, comments, exponentiation, modulus, why we use print, and I've started variables and integer floats. We have started. Once again, I'll explain this. So normally, if I come here, everyone is in. We are all living organism. What is the difference in our? What is the difference? Like difference is there or not? Like human beings, animals, uh, like birds, different species. So in that way, in the same way, data data is equal to data. For example, if you say this, one second, give a minute. Data, if you say this, 3 3 is data, 3.555 is data. Okay, minus 3 or 3. Okay, minus 3.555 or 3.5. Okay, and this is the data. What is the difference in this? Is there a difference in this? Is there a difference in this, guys? Is there a difference in this? Guys, is there any difference in this? Is there a difference in that? Is there a difference in this? Is there a difference in this? Both of you? See. Yes, difference is there. Yes, difference is there. See. This is called as an, this is normally called as an, again I'm writing, see, this is integer. This is integer data type. This is, this is, this is, here decimal point is there. If you observe here, decimal point is there. This is float data type. This is float data type. This is float data type. Okay. So this is different and this is different. So if I go for this, till now what we have done, see, till now what we have done, if I ask this, if I have this, say A is equal to, I'm printing the relative stored A. How to check the type of the data type? How to check the type of data in Python? Type function. We use type. Type of A. Observe this. Type of A. Say integer. It is not having any decimal point. So that's why integer. Not having decimal point. That's why integer. Type of A. To check the, this is to check the data type. This is to check the data type. Check the data type. This is to check the data type. So see, type here I'm writing, type inside variable. This is A, here is A is variable. We know A is variable. This is to check. This is to check the data type. Data type, to check the data type. So again, now A is automatically, it knows, Python knows what it will be like. For example, if I go with this, for example, B is equal to, I'm storing 3.555. 3.555. One second. Minus 3. Type of B. Integer. See. Minus also I have shown you. Minus. Here minus. Negative. Plus 3 or minus 3. Whatever it will be. It comes to the integer part only. Integer part only. Again I am repeating. See. Again if I store AB is equal to 3.5555. Print. Print. AB. Print AB 3.55. Again I'm telling, see, if you want to check the type of thing, type of AB. Now let's write type of AB. Type of AB. This part. Float. Type of AB. Float. See. Here floating is a decimal is there. Automatically it knows float. Float. Okay. Got it? So here with this, you can convert the typecasting also we can do. Typecasting also we can do here. Means we can convert the data type from one data type to another data type. Conversion of one data type to another is nothing but type casting. Okay, typecasting. See here again I'm telling, so, typecasting. So we can convert we can convert one data type to another data type. So that is typecasting. That is typecasting. And we here let's convert integer to float, float to integer here. Now practically see, do not just see here, just see what we have to do means here already int of AB. See, AB is in float, guys. Again I'm telling, AB is in float. AB is float data type, we know. Okay, after this if I run int of AB, it becomes float. If you want to store it, you can store it in D is equal to int of AB. Print. Here we have converted. See, here we have converted. So in AB float is there. Float is there. So we have converted. That to integer. Converted that float to integer. Okay, this is typecasting. This is typecasting. Okay, again we can convert AB. Again we can convert. What we can do, what is a variable we can take? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O. Good variable like D E I will take. D E variable I have taken, or else like BD I am taking. So BD I am taking. So float of this. What is stored in this? See, a 20 is there. Again I'm calling, guys. Again I'm telling, in a 20 is there. In a 20 is there. If I convert that to, if I want to convert that to, if I want to convert that to float, means here a. Just say print bd. Converted. Now check the type of it. Type of bd float. And type of d, here say type of d. I'm showing you type of d. Got it? Type of d, integer. You have converted this float to integer int before. See, again you can see, just go here. In ab 3.55 float is there. We have converted this to integer. You can check the type of d now. You can check the type of d. I'll write here one second. Print ab. Say, in ab float is there. So I've converted this to integer. So type of d, I've stored in a variable of d. I've stored in variable of d. So type of d integer it have converted. In the same way, in the same way, in the same way, bd, in the same way, here in the a I've stored 20. So float, I want to convert the float of a, here variable. After this, this type of bd float. Clear? Is it clear, guys, till now?
Here, in this case, we can convert integer into float, float into integer. That's what it's right.
Integer into float? No, float into integer we can convert. Here typecasting we are doing. That only example I have given. In future, in upcoming classes, we'll see on the base of the topic, we'll give the examples and we'll move on. Got it right? Any queries? Any queries, guys, till now? What we have discussed it so far? How was the session?
No, it was good.
Huh? How was the session? I love you guys. How was the session? Guys, how was the session? No answer.
Yeah, it was good, Veera.
Okay, thank you. Only one person from one
Yeah,
man
but
is
we
answering.
can understand it.
Huh?
It is understand.
Okay, thank you.
But I just wanted
Everyone,
to ask, can I mean, I'm not able to access this Python in my Apple laptop. So, is there any alternative for this?
you can directly, like, you can open your drive. You can open your drive in your laptop.
Okay. So
From
you
that you
asked
can
me to
open.
like, okay, I thought I should download it. You were asking me to download it.
No, no, just see, nothing to do. And just go here, create one folder of this, right click, more, collaboratory. If not, connect more apps. There itself, in your drive itself, it's going to install. It's not going to install you in a laptop. In drive itself, it's going to install. See, if you share your screen, if you want, I'll guide you. So this part, you can install it in drive only. It's not going to do anything. Google is free access it's giving. You can buy it out. You can play here only everything.
Okay, okay.
Got it?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Any queries, guys? If no queries, if anyone have any queries, you people can stay back. If no queries, you people can leave, guys. Hey, hi people, how are you?
I'm good.
How was the session?
Yeah, it's good actually. It's nice. We're able to follow the things.
And also see today in one of the institute I taught this data science. This part I'll show you. ML have taught decision tree. Today only I taught decision tree algorithm I taught. Just if you refer this, it's more than enough. Lifelong. If you save these files. Okay. Got it right? And also you will also receiving this kind of content. Already I've shared the link in the group part. You can check it out. Okay, and also I'll share now itself. Just see, I'll print now itself the content which we have gone with. So just this part we have gone. Just I'm printing this. See guys, I'm just printing this. Print. This is the 05 July notes. See all the thing which we have discussed. Just I'm sharing it. Just I'm keeping in that. See guys, I'm uploading here. Someone have given one message. Hi Vira, is there any chance to learn Tableau also? I'll show you the difference. Tableau is not that much tough, guys. If you learn Power BI, difference of Power BI, you can easily. If I take 3 or 4 classes, you can easily understand Tableau. That's it. Don't think that if we go with this Power BI, it's very difficult to learn Tableau. Don't think that in that way. Tableau is very easy. Just if I take 3 or 4 sessions on it, you'll understand it. I'll understand you. I'll make sure that I'll give you clarity about the differences part, how the differences will be. So I've uploaded this. The differences part I'll give you. So I've uploaded this. Okay. Already this link is there. You can check it out. Once again, I'm sharing, guys. First of all, see. Once again, I'm sharing this. Okay. So again, I'm sharing this link. This copy. Open. So I'm sharing you the link, guys. Okay. After completing Power BI, yes. After completing Power BI, you can easily understand this Tableau part very easy. After the guys, anyways, you'll be after creation of group. Everything will be available in your group. No worries. Okay. Yes, Rajesh. After completing Power BI, it's very easy for you to understand the Tableau part. The difference is they both are drag and drop. That's it. There is no difference, but like just the difference is like there is a Microsoft, that is in Salesforce. That's it. Some uh, majority of the Excel matches in Power BI. In Tableau part, there is no matching, but somewhat like if I say differences, you can easily understand that stuff. Easily, you can cope up with it. Anything else, guys? Okay, fine. Then, shall we wind up? Shall we wind up? Shall we meet tomorrow? Shall we meet next class Monday?
Vida, can you help me once with downloading, accessing the Python?
Can you please share your screen?
Yes.
Okay, fine. I'll stop sharing. I'll make you presenter. 1 second. Resign. I made you presenter. See, you can present your screen now. Normally, Python has to be there in our system, and after that, normally this is the online IDE which we are using. Collabs Google Colab from Google open source. It is like a free to use free source which we are using. Okay, entire mainly it is like in a way like we can take this storage also here, like you can increase our paid also, we can go for it is like an advanced stuff. Okay, this free source we can use, no worries, it is free. You can share your screen, Sai. Now Sai, you can share your screen. Hello,
Yeah,
are you
I'm sorry,
sharing?
I think it got this. Yeah, I think you're not able to. I mean, can you access, give me the access?
One second again, I'll give you access. One second. Say medium.
I need to reopen it. It's okay, I'll just do it later for children. I need to quit and come back again.
Yes, online also you can use, Rajesh, no worries.
Okay.
Online also you can use, but the folders which we are doing from one folder means it's going to save, every file is like it's going to save like this. It's
Okay,
going
I'll
to save
just.
like this. All the files. Automatically it saves.
Okay. Yeah, okay, I think I
Are
can
you
share
sharing?
it. Yeah,
Can you please share your screen?
is it visible?
Yes. Open your Google Drive. Open your Drive. This is no. Open your Drive. This is like my thing which I've shared. Open your Drive. Your Drive. Your
No,
Drive.
no, I haven't done. I mean, I didn't get access to the mail yet.
No, no, no. You don't have your mail ID. You have your mail ID.
Okay, login.
Open your Google Drive. Your Google Drive. Go there. Right side three. Right side dots are there, na? Right side dots above top beside you. Click on it. Drive. Click on Drive. A drive will be there. Drive. Drive. Here down, down, down. Right side. There. That only. Click on it. Right now, my drive. New folder. Here, create new folder. Above, above, above. New folder. New folder. Folder name Python. Create. Create. Open that folder. Go into that folder. Go into that folder. Where is that folder? 13.83 GB is used. Okay, 15 GB more. Okay, fine. Do one thing. Python. Do one thing. Click there. Right click. Click right click over there. Beside that folder option. Beside that folder option. Here folder icon is in. Down. Here left side. Left side. Left side. Left side. Left
Okay,
side. Left side. Here down. 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 Beside that. Don't. Left. One second. If you one second. One second. One second. Scroll it down. Some part. Move it to the that line is there. Na. Beside this. There line.
okay, this one.
One second. No, no, no. One second. I'll share my screen. One second. Stop it. Stop it. Stop sharing. If you go into any folder, like go into any folder, go into any folder. Do one thing. Go into any folder. Go
Yeah,
into
I
that.
mean,
Uh, Go into that. Go. Come down. Come down.
We are done with the session, right? I'm actually leaving. I have
Okay, fine.
some.
You can leave. You can leave, Vipul.
Yeah,
You
thank
can
you.
leave.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Right click here. Sai, right click here.
when-
Right click down in the empty space. In the empty space. Right click. More. More.
okay,
More. More. Get more apps. Yes. There. Search apps. In
okay,
search apps. In search apps. Search. 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 Collab. Collaboratory. Collaborator. Here, left side. Left side. First one, install it.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, fine. Any queries, guys? Any queries, guys? Okay, fine, guys. We'll wind up the session. We'll catch up in the next session, Monday. Bye, everyone. Happy weekend. Bye, guys. Bye, 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 everyone.